Hello, my name is Brady Quill, and my passion project is drones and aviation. What got me into drones and aviation was there was a class in my school called Aerospace Engineering. I enjoyed that class so much that my teacher recommended me to do our drone soccer club, which is essentially a competitive sport with drones crashing into each other and trying to score goals. There are many components to drones. I like to explore each component separately and try to make it my own and personalize it. So what we see on our screen are our drone soccer balls. They are the things we use to compete in drone soccer. Now, these are the pieces of the drone. There are both external and internal, the hardware and the software of the drone. Uh, on the top left, we have the motor, which basically has the propeller spin. The center is the base plate of the drone, which is what the propellers are put on, and all the electronical components. We have the controller, the batteries, and the battery chargers. Yes, these are the important parts of the drone. These are what make the drone fly. But the most important drone is the coding and the built in programming into the drone. This is what truly makes the drone unique to the person flying and to the person that is programming the drone. With the drone, you essentially can have it go faster, slower, depending on your skill set. And you can make the propeller spin faster, backwards and forwards faster, use the yaw and pitch, which essentially makes the drone better for the usage of the person and incorporates the engineering aspect of the drone. And it shows that not just the building components of the drone, are bringing in the mechanical engineering parts, but also the aspect of the technology it brings in the critical thinking era and the programming of engineering. I was able to design my own blades with 3D designs, and that would become more flexible and harder to break on impact than a normal drone. Now, with drones, I have been able to accomplish many things. I was on the local news explaining drones and aviation, why I love it so much, and bringing it to the local community as an up and coming project. It is something that our hospital has worked on and has invited me to work on. To the top right is my drone soccer team, which we are 11th nationally ranked. So these are some of the drones I personally built myself and worked on. To our far left is one of the racing drones I worked on. All four of the propellers are 3D printed, along with the cages that they are in. The cages were built before the drone technology class. The middle one is our drone is one of our soccer drones, but this is a modified one. I built this personally with the racing drone in the center instead of a generic drone. This makes it faster and it's a much larger drone, which is programmed all to personalize towards me. Overall, jobs requiring drones and jobs that need drones in the field, such as emergency services, really has become important to me to share with younger generations. I have gone to elementary schools and brought up the drones and the capabilities of why they are needed. I hope to, in the future, show more people the accessibility of drones and the parts that go into each drone and why they're so our everyday life.